Hey guys, happy Monday. Okay, I want to walk you through this assignment because I don't know where you guys are at in terms of college research. I know you've done a lot of it, but the question is at this point, how much of it have you done in terms of finances, right? That's what we got to start worrying about. So, our first assignment is right here. It's called the Financial Aid Planning Worksheet. It shows up in OneNote under the College tab. Okay, I just distributed, so make sure you sync. It should show up. If you're having issues, text me on Remind or email me. I just want to walk you through what you're expected to do here. Okay. So there are directions. If we have met one-on-one already, then you're just responsible for doing these for your schools that we've talked about. If we have not met one-on-one, you are responsible for doing all three Arizona public institutions, ASU, U of A, NAU. Okay. So what you're doing, the first thing you're going to do for each one, you're going to get the real cost of attendance right here on ASU's website. It literally walks you through all the cost of attendance. Okay, it's got housing, meals, travel, all these things, and it tells you the expected costs. Okay, which is nice. So an ASU, U of A, NAU, most schools have something like this to help you out. So that number is going to go here. So I'm making up a number right now. I'm saying $25,000. Okay. Then your job is to go into their scholarship section, which is under applying for aid. Well, let's see, financial aid calendar, paying for college, probably right there, probably paying for college. And it's going to help you figure out some scholarships. Yep, there's a scholarship estimator tool. Okay, it's based on your GPA mostly this year, so it'll be your cumulative GPA. And your job is to figure out what merit scholarships, these are the ones that come from this financial aid or the scholarship estimator tool. Okay, what scholarship could you apply for? So let's just say I qualify for the Dean Scholarship, and that is $6,000 per year. Okay, perfect. So now I have my total cost of attendance, which is 25 grand minus $6,000. I'm still left with $21,000. That's how much I still have to pay. Okay. The lower we can get this number, guys, the easier your life is going to be, right? If you qualify for the Obama Scholarship at ASU, you've got it made as long as we keep your GPA good and you're cool with going to ASU. Okay. So then we're going to put other sources. So this would be like if you qualify for a Pell Grant, or if you can take out loans, if you're okay with that, or private scholarships, right? But our idea here today is to just try and get a grasp on this cost, right? What does this look like for the schools that you're considering? And then we have to figure out how much work we need to do, right? If you have questions, let me know. This is all, it's going to be kind of individual, right? Based on what scholarships you qualify for. It is a little bit of work, but this is super helpful to help us kind of get a realistic idea of how much work we're looking at in terms of like private scholarships. And it gives you a good idea of the comparison between schools, right? I know money is not number one, but right now money is still important. And so it's a good idea to have a guesstimate of what you're looking at in terms of cost. The other thing you're doing today is under tutorials, you are filling out your first TRF form. Notice they are new and a little bit different. So keep that in mind. If you have questions or are confused about things, we will meet tomorrow afternoon quickly as a whole group before we break out into tutorial group number 1. I will tell you your group, so be ready to go tomorrow because I'm not telling you the groups that we're in until we get to our meeting tomorrow afternoon. All right, I know it's a lot, but hopefully this was helpful. Thanks. See you tomorrow.